All rise. Judge Bunda B. Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
You know, I got 5 kids and I get paid.
Mr. Casey. A father of 5 is requesting child support from his children's mother, explaining that he has been providing for the children on his own and requires financial support. The judge pays close attention, but he soon identifies contradictions in his remarks. This lays the groundwork for a case that examines the difficulties of single parenting and the value of candor in legal processes.
Raising your own kids.
If I gotta raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so
just
you
help.
want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself.
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Because I'm
Got
a good
you.
person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
Shh. As good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
You know?
she
You like
did.
that movie? She got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, you know, that you want to do with placing her on child support.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Don't y'all have other than like that default stuff?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can do a default.
We can do that.
Definitely. She was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for a motion for discovery?
The judge is willing to proceed with a default judgment because the mother was served. But she needs precise information about the mother's income to calculate child support. Mr. Casey takes the stand to explain that he has been raising his 5 children alone and that he needs financial support from their mother. He claims the mother was properly served but failed to appear in court. Mr. Casey finds it difficult to respond clearly, providing several figures for the mother's income, which gives the judge cause for concern.
See?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, yes, yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes, Your Honor.
let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45,
Okay.
47,
Is it 45 or 47?
probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them. Sometimes she get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes she get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more time,
Sometimes she get 90.
and I'm not going to ask again because my patients are wearing very thin. How much money
Wait, Judge,
does
wait. Judge,
how much
your
money
patience?
does the mother of your children?
The scene changes to an eye-opening educational breakdown led by none other than Vonab. She delves into a topic that many people ignore until it's too late: default judgments. Vonab doesn't sugarcoat the fact that in Texas, if you get served and don't appear in court, guess what? You've essentially given the other side a free win. That's right. If you don't show up, the judge can rule in favor of whoever filed the case. There are no arguments or defense, so the case is over. However, Vonda doesn't stop there. She drills into the real responsibility of providing honest, accurate information, particularly regarding income. If you lie, inflate, or downplay your earnings, you're not just hurting the other party, you're setting yourself up for legal disaster. Vonyabi sheds light on how the system operates and, more crucially, how to operate inside it properly for anyone considering avoiding or pursuing child support. This section presents the unvarnished reality of how justice is administered.
We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
well,
sorry.
you know what? I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the
Judge.
table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day,
I'm
and you
sorry,
came in
please.
here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me. And, you know, I work hard and
You know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful.
Yeah.
So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to be
Thank
truthful.
you.
I don't want to leave yet.
The film doesn't simply stop when the gavel occurs and the case is concluded. It delivers a devastating blow to the judge. Vonda B leans in with a message that breaks through the clutter. Honesty and preparation are essential if you want to win in court. If you're looking for real stories, raw courtroom battles, and legal games that you can use whether you're in the fight or just watching from the sidelines, click the subscribe button. This case was more than just courtroom drama. It was a lesson in how the truth, or lack thereof, can make or break you in front of a judge. Being prepared is mandatory when it comes to the legal system. Thus, this channel is your front row seat to justice in action.
Witness in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place Mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back, and then at that time, hopefully, he has financial income information on Mom.